This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the arm away from the screen until it locks. Rotate the blade 90 degrees and pull it from the pivot pin. Locate the blade over the pivot pin and slide it into place. Gently lower the arm down to the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen and press the blade from the slot in the end of the arm. Align the pin in the blade with the slot in the arm and press it firmly into place. Gently lower the arm to the screen